Ever considered forming an S corporation? S corporations, commonly referred to as S Corp, offer several advantages to entrepreneurs. They combine the personal liability protection of a corporation with the tax benefits of a sole proprietorship or partnership. Before we continue, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about business topics that can save you time and money. According to the Small Business Administration, as of 2021, there were over 4 million S Corp in the United States. This number has been growing steadily over the years, revealing a preference among small business owners. So, how do you set one up? Step 1. Choose and confirm a business name. Ensure your business name is unique and not too similar to another registered name. Your business name typically must include words like incorporated or corporation and abbreviations such as Inc. or Corp. Step 2. Designate a registered agent. Every S Corp needs a registered agent. This individual or business entity will receive all legal documents and government notices on behalf of your S Corp. Our organization is standing by to serve as your registered agent at any time. Step 3. File Articles of Incorporation. This document will be filed with the Secretary of State in the state where you wish to register your S Corp. It provides the state with vital information about your business, such as its name, address, and the amount of stock it's authorized to issue. Step 4. Obtain an Employer Identification Number or EIN. An EIN is like a social security number for your business. You'll use it for tax purposes and when opening a business bank account. Our organization can provide one for you. Step 5. Set up a corporate records book. This is where you'll keep all important documents like your articles of incorporation, bylaws, and minutes of shareholder and director meetings. Step 6. Conduct an initial board of directors meeting. During this meeting, you'll appoint company officers, adopt bylaws, and select a tax year. Step 7. Register for state taxes. Depending on where your business operates and what you sell, you might need to register for various state taxes. Our organization can help you do so. Step 8. Obtain any necessary business licenses and permits. This can vary widely depending on your location and the nature of your business. Step 9. File the IRS Form 2553. This step is vital. It's the form that notifies the IRS that you wish to be taxed as an S corporation. This entire formation process might seem intricate, but remember, our organization understands these complexities. We can handle all the licensing, registration, and formation steps for your business, ensuring you focus on what you do best, growing your company. Did you know that businesses who engage professional services for their formation typically save more time and make fewer errors in their setup? It's about peace of mind. For more information, please visit legalregistration.com, or you are welcome to call our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think about the S Corp formation steps? Is there a specific one that seems complicated? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to benefit your business.